And I have this kind of video camera what I tested from eBay, from China. Real hard yeah, it's full of shit. It cost like 30 euro, 16 megapixels shit. So maybe I transform this to something else. If I remember right, I have some C4 somewhere. Yeah, here. Thank you. Are you drunk?
Die!
Yeah, probably.
Motherfucker.
Someone.
Oh, no, it's coming.
Wait. Okay, let's test. What is good place? Ah, there's battery. Ooh, perfect place. Yes. Okay. Okay, something happened. Maybe there is some problem now. Oh yeah, display is broken. And the other pieces are everywhere. Where is the rest of camera? There is some pieces. Oh yeah. Record. Okay, not working. Okay, rest is missing. I don't know where they go. They just disappear. Ah, there is battery. Battery still okay. Okay, quite nice.